Hey YouTube, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can watch YouTube in your car. This is going to be working as of November 2025 going into 2026. This works on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And I'm going to show you guys how you can basically watch YouTube, Netflix, any streaming service on your car Apple Play system or Android Auto system. And this is going to be completely for free, and I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So what we're going to do is I'm going to run you through this full tutorial. You only really need is your mobile device. As long as you can connect your mobile device to your car, this is going to work. So all we're going to need is be able to connect this app called CarTube, and we're going to go ahead and download this. Now the beauty of this app is you don't need a jailbreak, you don't need a computer. All you need to do is just be able to visit a website, get the CarTube app. It's completely for free. It's working for iOS and Android APKs, iPhones, iPads, whatever you use, and it's super easy. So we're going to go ahead and get this app, like I said here, called CarTube. Now, you're not going to be able to get this off the Apple Store or Google Play Store. We're going to have to get this somewhere different, and I'm going to show you guys how to do this right now. So come over here to Safari or Google Chrome, and if you're an Android as well, do the exact same thing. It's going to be the exact same process. And we're going to visit this website called www.plugineasy.com. So Plugin, and then easy, EASY.com. All one word, www.plugineasy.com. Once you guys here, go to the search and just type in CarTube, all one word. It's going to say iOS and Android installer. So tap on that, and it's going to pop up with this, and just press on start installation. Now if you press start installation and it doesn't load, go ahead and refresh the page and then press start installation again. Sometimes it can bug out, so make sure you are going ahead and pressing on start installation. And what's going to happen is basically Plugin Easy is going to install the CarTube app to your device, so you can go ahead and watch any streaming service and YouTube on your CarPlay system. So all you have to do is simply wait for this to finish. It doesn't take too long at all. And yeah, Plugin Easy is going to do its thing, install it, and it's going to be super easy. If you guys do have any questions or need any help with this, simply drop a comment below. I'm helping out every single person in the comment section. And also, give this video a like if it does work for you, so that other people know just how easy this is. And this is working on the latest CarPlay update, which is like the iOS 26, which is the new side. Which is really cool. So as you guys can see, what it's then going to do, once it's finished installing, it's going to take you to a page like this. It's going to say, your plugin requires 2 additional plugin files to install. Now these additional plugin files are installed through the App Store or the Google Play Store. And what you need to do is go ahead and complete at least 2 of these. It's completely for free, and I'm going to run you through and show you just quickly how to do this. So there's going to be 3 in the list. You need only complete 2. And as you guys can see, one of them will just be, for example, my one here. It says, go ahead and get the TikTok app. So what you do is you tap on it and click on it. Make sure you are clicking it through this link. If you don't click it through this link, it's not going to track that you've actually completed and installed CarTube. So make sure you guys go ahead and click on the link, and then you make sure it comes up with this as well. You press open. Don't search for it yourself. Make sure you're clicking it through that link so it goes ahead and tracks you. Okay, not tracks you, but make sure you actually has installed it for you. So as you guys can see, you just go ahead and get the TikTok app. This is the official TikTok app. This isn't some scam TikTok app, okay? This is the official, Apple iOS TikTok app with 18 million ratings. These are all legit apps. These are all completely for free, and they're just kind of sideloading in through these other apps, and it's going to be the same on Android as well. You just need to make sure, guys, you are reading the instructions on this page right here. Super easy, and then you should be all good. So there's another one here where it says go ahead and get this scanner app. So it says, if you get ones like this, it'll say press on the search app store and type in scan, and then find this one. So whichever, you just got to read the instructions, you complete them, and you just go ahead and get the app for free. So we type in scan, okay, find the same one that it says, and then you go ahead and get it. Super easy, guys, easy stuff. As long as you can read some basic instructions, it's gonna be easy. Now these little apps here will change all the time, so it's gonna be up to you to basically watch to figure out. This one here, Travel Town, says go ahead and get to level 9, so you can do that one as well. But that's basically it, guys. Once you've completed at least 2 of those, you've now got the CarTube app. Just simply Bluetooth to your car system, or go ahead and plug it in via USB-C or the old lightning cable, whatever you're using. And that's how easy it is, guys. You can watch YouTube in your car. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much. Hope you guys enjoyed CarTube. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.